Well, here we are again. These are some matoke. So it's a bunch of matoke here. Green bananas here. These are the natural ones, not the plantain. So today I'm gonna do this for breakfast, and it is what I'm going to use. This is the oroteru in our Gusi language. Whoever is in Africa here or is from Kenya, Gusi knows what oroteru is. We'll tell in Kiswahili, but in English, maybe they call it siva, which we do to when you have harvested some maize. This is what you this is how they do it. So here I'm going to peel these bananas, and then I'll put them in this sufria here so that I will cook them for breakfast. Today I feel like having matoke because that is my favorite, because also I come from Gusi Highland here where matoke is our favorite meal. So today I'm gonna peel the matoke now, and I wanna prepare it for breakfast. So this is how we do it. You put a line here and then you peel with your hands. This is how we peel it. This is our natural way of peeling it by not using the knife. So again, I have to curl. Look at the other side, and then you put a line like this, and you put a line. It will be easy for you to peel it again. As you see here, I'm doing this. Maybe you wanna try it. Someone commented from Jamaica there before when I was peeling some bananas that I actually do this in such a way. So this is what I'm trying today. Hope she is watching from Jamaica as what I'm doing, for what she has advised me to do. That's what I'm doing today. This is it. So another one. We peel with our count. You leave some comments here if this is the way you peel your bananas. Those ones who do bananas for lunch, maybe for breakfast. Leave some comments down there if this is the way you do to your side there. For your sake, girl, leave some comments down there. We put a line like this after cutting the two sides, and then we peel. Wait a moment. This is how, now I have finished peeling the bananas. This is the peelers here, and this is the bananas that I'm going to wash now. This is how we wash. This is how clean they are. So I'm going to cook them as they are like this, and I'm going to use outside here. We put on the fire. Maybe I'm used to smoke. Let us try this real machine. Oh, good. So what I have to do? I have also these ones here. These are the This is the green chili, and these are some spinach here and some how do we call this, spring onions. I'm used to cooking with spring onions, as you see. And here I have some tomatoes and some garlic. That is it. I'm going to use these onions here. So what I have to do, I have to cut and wash it. So I have to put this one first at the sufuria like this, with this. And then we arrange the bananas. This is what we do here. Let me go and bring some water now. We put some water. And then we put some salt here. This is the salt. I'm doing in a local way. Hey. And then sasa tunaweka kwa moto. And then we cover it. You see my lid as a whole, as you can see, this is a local way. And then I cover with this one first, just to preserve the moisture content inside the matoke. And then we cover. Kiberiti imebaki kubwa. So now we have to wait it to be ready, and then we shall wait it. Let's wait together as we enjoy this video here. More videos to come. Kindly subscribe if you are new here. Consider subscribing, and that's a better way of supporting me here at the village. Let's move and wait for it to be ready. So you have to prepare the spinach and get ready, plus the spring onions and the other stuff. I have to cut in a local way. This is the knife I'm using. Big stuff. You know, spinach is not that hard, that's why I'm cutting it the way you see, like this. In a local way. All the stuff must be together as I cut the spring onions also. Remember, I had washed them earlier, so I cut it. find our knives are the fillets here. Let's see whether now it's ready. As you can see here, see. Oh. Yes, it is ready. Now we have to return this, and then I will put it aside, and then we shall do other stuff. This is where we put the I'm doing another stuff. And this is the oil I'm going to use. The same spoon from the fridge here. This is the same pipe I used to blow the fire because the smoke was disturbing, so I have to use this one here. This is eggs, mayai kienyeji, for those ones who are from Africa here. Another one, they are fresh. I put some salt. We put it aside, and then I put some spinach. Remember the spring onions are together with the spinach. That's how it looks. Let me see if I can add some oil, a little bit of oil. And I'm using chips. What I have to do, I have to put the eggs. You put it aside like this here. Now let's prepare and see what we can do here. We remove the banana leaves. Then we remove the soup. Mash the bananas. So it is ready here, so I have to put the veggies. And then we put the tomatoes. This is the green chili. I don't know, maybe other people don't like the chili, so I have to put it aside for some time. If someone needs it, you can add it. And some garlic, so I have to grate the garlic. I have to grate the garlic here. And the beetroot. Some of other people don't like beetroot, but you have to you have to add if there is a person who is an infant who or has high blood pressure, you have to add the beetroot. This is it. Hope you enjoyed this video here, and like and share. Leave the comments here if you have ever done like this here. A very amazing. Let's taste now. Wow, lovely, very lovely. And the tomatoes and the garlic. Hope you enjoyed this video here. Leave some comments down there and share the video. Consider subscribing, and that's a better way of supporting me as a parent. Bye bye. Ciao.